Greetings! Since we've made this PCB in the proof of concept video for my pantograph, I figured we might as well build it and see if there is any short, see if it works at all. Since it's only a few components and the PCB came from this website, it's micmo.dk, it's CBLFO, simple square wave low frequency oscillator. It's literally 5 components and that's all there is to it, and I was looking for a simple PCB just to quickly etch and, well, not etch, engrave and see whether it will work. But I just happen to have all the required components for this, so let's put it together. It's 3 resistors, LED cap and a 555 timer. According to the schematic, R2 should be a 100k pot just to adjust the frequency, but I'm going to put in a 47k resistor permanently. So let's put that in place. This is a, hold on, this one here is a 4.7k, which should be R1 right next to it. The schematic calls for a 1k resistor in series with the diode, but I'm gonna put in 680 ohms because I have a very old diode which requires a little bit more current to have any significant glow coming out of it. And here is the diode, should be facing anode, cathode to the resistor, there we go. And the cap, now this is a strange arrangement for the cap because it's quite wide and it calls for a radial or axial rather capacitor, but this is the only thing I could find in the spare junk powered bins. I will have to bend it, and capacitor should go negative up. Get the polarity right. We can sandwich it like this, that will work. Add some flux. This is my homemade flux actually. This is the first time I'm using this batch as well, but I suspect it should work quite well. It usually does. So let's give it a shot. Okay, let's snip them out. Okay, and let's put the 555 timer in here. So just slightly bend the legs, and I've overdone it as usual. And it should go this way. So again, a tiny bit of flux. My main worry with the router was whether I'll be able to route small enough to go between the legs of an IC, but it seems I could do that comfortably with that really rough bit. So when I get the proper bits, I should be maybe attempt to put 2 tracks in between, who knows. Okay, that's almost it. Let's just use some of the legs that I've just cut off for a makeshift connector. It's 1, and that's 2. There we go. Ugliest board of all times completed. Let's see if it will blink. Let's apply some power, but first let's just mark polarity in case I ever want to come back to it and connect it. I don't want to do it backwards, so this is positive, this is negative, and I've got the power supply set to 5 volts with a 100 milliamp limit. So let's see, power on. Oh, it's blinking. There we go, that's a success. My first engraved PCB, and it works off the bat. Granted, it looks ugly, and it's a very simple and basic PCB with only 6 components total, but it works. Today was a good day. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe for more random stuff and more me messing about with random electronics. For this one, that's it. So take care.